I've worked in the tire industry for over 20 years. I've stood inside manufacturing plants where brand new tires are born. But today, I want to take you somewhere different, not where tires begin, but where they are reborn. ***, a large-scale tire recycling plant is not a typical mechanical workshop. It's not a corner garage. It's not a SCRAPYARD. It's a heavy industrial complex. Massive steel structures, reinforced concrete floors, conveyor systems stretching across a space as large as several football fields. The first time you walk in, you feel small. ***, the air smells like rubber and steel. The machines don't whisper, they roar. This place operates nearly 24 hours a day because the world doesn't stop driving. And when vehicles stop, tires don't disappear. Every year, billions of tires reach the end of their usable life. Without recycling, they would pile up endlessly in landfills. And I've seen what that leads to. Tires trap air. They trap heat. When they ignite, they burn for weeks. Thick black smoke. Environmental devastation. That's what we're fighting against. ***, truck after truck arrives at the facility gates, loaded with worn-out passenger tires, heavy truck tires, even giant industrial tires. To the public, they look like trash. To us, they are raw industrial material. Loaders move mountains of black rubber across the yard. Every tire is logged, sorted, directed. Because once it enters the system, there's no turning back. ***, the first machine stands tall and unforgiving. The shredder. Massive rotating shafts equipped with hardened steel teeth. A tire is fed inside. Rubber bends. Steel belts resist. Then, the blades overpower everything. Within seconds, a full tire becomes rough chunks. This isn't chaos. It's controlled destruction. Every rotation is engineered. Every torque calculation precise. I've stood close enough to feel the vibration in my boots. It's power you respect. ***, liquid nitrogen floods the chamber. Temperatures plunge dramatically. Rubber that was once flexible becomes brittle. Fragile. At that moment, the material shatters cleanly under impact. The separation is sharper. The contamination lower. It's expensive technology, but the output quality is unmatched. This is where industrial engineering meets precision science. After shredding, material travels along conveyor belts. ***, magnets sweep above the stream. Steel wires lift instantly. From the rubber mass. Air classifiers remove textile fibers. Screening systems sort particles by size. Every component extracted, every fraction categorized. Because in modern recycling, waste is failure, recovery is success. ***, large rubber chips follow one path. Fine rubber crumb follows another. Each has its own market. Each has its own future. ***, these larger fragments are processed into tire-derived fuel used in cement kilns and industrial furnaces. They burn hotter than coal, more energy density, reduced fossil fuel reliance from road surface to energy source. The smaller granules become crumb rubber. Soft, shock-absorbing, durable. They become surfaces under athletes' feet, football fields, running tracks, playgrounds. From highways to stadiums, that transformation never stops amazing me. ***, shredded rubber enters a sealed reactor. No oxygen. No flame. Only heat. For 100 to 600 degrees Celsius. Inside that chamber, chemical bonds begin to break. The rubber decomposes at the molecular level. This isn't burning. It's controlled thermal breakdown. The result, pyrolysis oil. 40 to 50% of the tire's weight becomes liquid energy, recovered carbon black, emerges as valuable industrial material. Steel is reclaimed once again. Nearly the entire tire is transformed from solid waste into reusable resources. This is industrial alchemy. Because of facilities like this, landfill areas shrink. The risk of uncontrolled tire fires drops dramatically. Communities are safer. Air is cleaner. And thousands of jobs are created. Operators monitor systems around the clock. Engineers analyze efficiency. Metrics, maintenance teams ensure every machine runs flawlessly. This industry doesn't just process rubber. It supports families. It strengthens economies. It builds sustainable systems. Every year, billions of tires are discarded worldwide, but they are no longer an environmental burden. They are part of a modern recycling ecosystem. Integrated into energy systems. Integrated into infrastructure. Integrated into global industry. And I've watched this transformation evolve over decades, from primitive dumping methods to advanced chemical recovery plants. It's one of the most significant industrial shifts of our time. When I walk through a recycling plant at night, I see more than steel and conveyor belts. I see redemption. I see a system that refuses to waste, a system that converts risk into resource. Billions of tires every year are no longer silent threats in landfills. They become fuel. They become materials. They become opportunity. The road may end for a tire. But inside these massive complexes, its next life begins. And from someone who has spent a lifetime in this industry, that transformation is not just engineering. It's responsibility. It's survival. It's progress.
We need more aggregate right here. Okay, I'm on it. Keep an eye on the roller, it's reversing. Keep it coming slowly now. Watch the edge on the left. Keep it coming back, easy now.